my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and any of the new UI 6.1 devices. And the video I'd like to do is how to locate your stolen or lost Android phone or tablet, even if it's offline. Okay, so Google's Find My Device app now lets you locate your lost or stolen phone, even if it's not connected to the internet. Here's how to use it and quickly find your Android device. So first step you want to do, you want to download the app, and it's called Find My. So you want to go to your, let's see here, where's my Find My? Find, and then go to Find Device, and then you'll see, you might get a screen asking if you want to add your devices. Press on the blue button at the bottom of the screen that says Enter Screen Lock, then you'll be able to enter your PIN. In my case, all these devices I already have put on my phone, or onto my account, I should say, not my phone. On the page that appears, click on the option named Find My Device and proceed to tap to find your offline device. Okay, so like for example, if I'm looking for my watch, I tap that and there it is. I can find where it's located and everything about it. And we're not going to show you where it is right now, so we're going to skip back. But as you can see at the top here, use to Find My Device network, locate your offline devices and help others locate theirs. So you can find your offline devices. That's what's cool about this, their new addition to it, to help locate this device and the past pair accessories when offline. Find My Device can use encrypted location information sent by this Android device and others in the Find My network. When your Android device participates in this network, it securely sends locations to its devices to detect nearby to help owners find them. So I'm going to put without network. Your device won't, well, so you know what? I probably should just put it to off. Find My Device won't store your device's recent location, and your Android device won't participate in the network. You know what? I take that back. I probably should, with network, locate using stored recent location or the network even in low traffic. There we go. With network in all areas. So you want it, I made a mistake in the beginning there, obviously. You don't want it without network, because if you do that one, your device won't participate in the network. You can still locate offline devices using their stored recent locations. So you could use that one. Off, I definitely wouldn't do that because it's not going to look for it at all. So either without network or with the network would be your best pitch. Set it to with network in high traffic areas or with network in all areas. So this is the best one right here. Locate using stored recent locations or network even in low traffic areas. So that's the one you want to set. And then I believe I want to do this. Well, you might want to go through all of them and check that option if available. So they're always giving the Google network an encrypted area of where they were the last time that they were on the network. So they don't have to be on to find it like the new app is saying, but it helps that they were on the last section, or the last time they were on is going to show the section in the map of where they are. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.